The morning light through the kitchen pane, chasing shadows down a quiet lane. Steam curls up from a mug of tea. The world outside is so I'm free. No rush to go where this double wondrous quiet space where my heart belongs. Sometimes life is waiting fast. We forget to breathe, forget to love. But if you stop and look around, there's magic waiting to be found. Oh, it's the small bright things that light the way. I believe that someday simple moments, soft and true, what turn the ordinary into something new. Yeah, it's the little joys that makes it see how beautiful this life